Ever wondered how to keep your fridge healthy and smelling good? Well, imagine walking into your kitchen, opening your fridge, and being greeted by a fresh, clean smell instead of a dubious odor. It sounds dreamy, right? It's entirely possible, and today we're going to uncover the steps to achieve this. First things first, a clean fridge is a happy fridge. So begin by removing everything from your fridge. Yes, everything. It's time to get down and dirty. Use a mixture of warm water and baking soda to scrub each shelf and drawer. This powerful duo is excellent for removing stains and neutralizing odors. Once the interior is sparkling clean, focus on the door seals. These often overlooked areas can harbor food particles and mold, which can lead to unpleasant smells. Use an old toothbrush and the same baking soda mixture to scrub them clean. Now that your fridge is clean, it's time to tackle those stubborn odors. A simple yet effective solution is to use activated charcoal. It's a natural odor absorber and is safe to use around food. Place a few pieces in a container and leave it in your fridge. Replace them every couple of months for the best results. Another great odor-eliminating hero is coffee. Yes, you heard it right. Coffee. Put some fresh coffee beans or grounds into a small bowl or jar and place it in your fridge. Not only will it absorb odors, but it will also leave your fridge smelling like a fresh brew. If you're not a fan of coffee, vanilla extract is another excellent option. Soak a piece of cotton in pure vanilla extract and place it in a small container. Your fridge will smell like a freshly baked dessert in no time. Lastly, remember to store your food properly. Use airtight containers or Ziploc bags to prevent odors from spreading. Fresh fruits and vegetables should be stored in the crisper drawer, and raw meats should always be placed on the bottom shelf to avoid cross-contamination. So, to recap, maintaining a healthy and good-smelling fridge is a simple process. Start by deep cleaning your fridge, paying particular attention to the door seals. Use natural odor absorbers like activated charcoal, coffee, or vanilla extract to keep your fridge smelling fresh, and importantly, store your food correctly to prevent odors from spreading. With these steps, opening your fridge will always be a pleasant experience. So, why wait? Start your fridge cleaning journey today.